Enrolling to use CUPRA Connect is simple and straightforward. Follow our step-by-step guide to take advantage of a world of connectivity. First, you'll need to create a CUPRA ID account via the CUPRA Connect app or through the My CUPRA portal. Log in, fill in your email address and enter a password. A confirmation email will be sent to verify your account. Then you'll need to accept the terms and privacy conditions. Select your country and choose your language. Click Continue and enter your personal details. Finally, you'll be asked to select a 4-digit security PIN and agree to the terms and conditions to finish setting up your CUPRA ID. The next step is to add your vehicle to your CUPRA ID user account. You can either write down your VIN number in the app or go directly to your vehicle and start the infotainment system. First, get in your car and make sure you have 4G and GPS connections. To do that, you should see the world symbol in the top right corner is highlighted in white, not grey. Second, ensure that the privacy mode is not at its maximum. Go to User Settings, then Privacy Settings. The icon will indicate that you are in flight mode. Click on it and select any of the other icons. Log in with your CUPRA ID inside the user menu. Once logged in, select Settings, then become Primary User. Agree to the CUPRA Connect terms and conditions. Then you'll need to press the unlock button on each of your keys. First one, then the other. You are now registered as the primary user. Finally, set your personal authorized workshop in order to keep in touch with your preferred service partner. Search it in the browser, select your preferred contact channel and turn the automatic service scheduling on. Your car is now fully connected. Go and experience the endless possibilities with CUPRA Connect online services.